So, welcome affiliates to our Backlink 101 session. In this session, you will learn link building from scratch, really from scratch. So, it's not let's start from beginning. So, let me tell you what exactly is a link building. Link building is a nothing when a website linked to other website is called link building. For example, bbc.com linked to Wikipedia, Sharaz.com linked to Wikipedia. So Wikipedia got a backlink from my website or BBC or any other site that you can see over here. So this is something that is called backlinks, as known as links. So I am soon launching my own link building playbook. So all the concept will be taught to you from over here. So what is link building? You know now why links are so important. So first of all, I want to tell you something. Like I have seen is the value of links are reducing day by day. I mean, links are not valuable now if you are not having proper on-page structure and offsite SEO. Later in the day, it is used to go, but now slowly and steadily, I have seen that if you want to build links to your blog, then there are few things that you need to have in your mind. First of all, your website topical structure and everything has to be fit. That I already tell you in the last videos on on-site SEO series, and that one more keyword roundup video as well. So these are the two things that I taught you where there. Okay, so links are so important. So actually, links are like a score. Uh, Links are like a score. Like if 10 people, it's you can say it's kind of voting system. You can say if more votes you get, you will be won. But thing is, if you get one quality vote and then other your competitor having 10, you can say low quality vote, then you will won because you are having a quality vote. So which sites are quality one? So how Google determine quality, everything we will talk about in this video. So BBC is a quality one, Forbes is a quality one, Sharaf.com is not a quality one because it's just started. I don't know how it will affect any website because it's just started right now. I just launched it 2 days ago. So links, that's why links are so important. So there are two types of no follow and do follow. No follow is nothing. In no follow link, we just add rl is equal to no follow tag, and no follow links did not carry any kind of weightage. But if we're having good no amount of no follow links, then it also helps. I have seen that if you're having a website link from a big website and you're having no follow link from a big website on your homepage or any other page, that also I have seen give you some ranking boost because when traffic drive through those links, that helps you to rank further. So these are something that you need to consider. No follow and do follow is nothing. No follow, I know lots of people know you are just kept on boring, but yeah, I have to tell you about it. Okay, so link position, where your links landed. So I'm having my blog, bloggingfy.com. So lots of you know about this. So link position, so this is a menu link, this is a contextual link. The link from content is contextual. If someone comments over here, this is a comment link. Tarun Kashif just did a comment over here, and these are some sideward links, you can say the widget links. So there are several kinds of categories, but the most effective links are contextual links. The links inside the content are called contextual links. If you are building links inside content, that's the most powerful build links. And moreover, those links are editorial links. So what are editorial links? Like in editorial links, we are having a authority, a middleman between, you can say between your link, like you're having a link, you can say a middleman between that. See, okay, this is the link and that's what this is going to do and everything in it. Okay, so that's the one thing. And moreover, forward by Harsh Agrawal, I don't know how it happens. Okay, let me delete it. Maybe I will get a forward, I requested him. So next thing is the link position. The contextual links are more because they are editorial links, because there is a one editor in the middle that monitor these links. So it's a kind of, you can say, plateau for your competitor to go over here and get contextual links. So these are contextual links. So link anchor text. Now anchor text and text around your links is also important. So these are anchor text, you can check it out here. this is the anchor text. That is the generic anchor text. Nothing as generic anchor text. So there is, and this is one thing that plays a role. There are several kinds of anchor text. As you can see, my fellow blogger Sankit Bhardwaj written is over here, right? So Sankit, if I link Sankit blog from over here, like what his blog name is, brandedblogger.in, then this will be called as a branded link because I am giving him a link on his name, or you can say brandedblogger.in if I link to that text. But if I am linking to the start blogging, then this is a his keyword or main keyword. So let me see which kind of link. Okay, I give him a link on how to start blog in 2020. So if I give link over here, start blogging, then this will be called as a LSI, a similar word. And if I give a exact link, okay, branded blogger is not more. What happened? Yeah, I will review. That's why this link is cut it down by my system because this link is no more available. So this is something that you can do. Okay, so text around your link also plays a role. You as you know, you have to start blogging. Google also reads this thing. The text around your links is also a main thing that help you to rank. If you, I haven't given this link, but text around is start blogging, so user and Google can also pick the relevancy over it. These are some link building fundamentals and the link building basics. The authority of linking page and site. Supposingly, if I am getting a link from sharehouse.com or versus neilpatel.com, which one be more profitable? Neil Patel one, right? Because that website is more powerful and have more power. And relevancy is the key. Supposingly, if Neil Patel is linking to a Jacqueline blog, then there it makes no sense. But if BBC is linking a Jacqueline blog, then there will little bit because that a general website. But if you are having a link from a niche website, like this knife blog is having a link from other knife blog, that will be more powerful than Neil Patel. Although Neil Patel is having more authority, so relevance is the key. So you can make a relevance in the niche. I will teach you how you can do that. Link velocity, it's nothing, it's the rapid, is the speed how you are building links. So if you are building links, I will recommend you to build links less than 20% of your blog traffic. Supposing if you have 1,000 blog visitors per month, then you can build around 100, 150 links per month because that is something that comes in the link velocity, and that's also need to grow slowly and steadily. Does not mean like you suddenly create 1,000 links or 500 links a day. You need to do it by giving some time. Anchor text optimization, link diversity, I already taught you about in anchor text, anchor text, the branded links and everything, right? And there are three types of link building: white hat link building, gray hat link building, and black hat link building. Mainly, I did not try black hat link building. I mainly do white hat and gray hat link building. And there are lots of strategy that is covered inside this book. So there are two ways of doing outreach to people. One is sniper approach, where you are just massively sending emails, and no, sorry, in shotgun approach you are just sending massive emails. Where sniper approach you warm that prospect. So shotgun is work for small websites. You are outreaching small website. A sniper will work for if you are outreaching big sites. So psychology, why people link to your page. So if you are having something trendy in your page, then this will help you to rank. If you have futurology, futurology, if you talk about future things and something happened in future, then that will also help you. And Google Maps, like you can just go to Google and see what kind of things are happening, like top trending games, League of Legends. Now I will go to Google. Now I want to see trend of this game. That's stable, past 5 years. That's really stable. How old it is? So there is one more popular game, PUBG, Player Unknown's Battleground. Okay, so this game was launched at this time. If someone write article over this time, then the trend is increasing, right? So people will usually link to the resources as a resource. If you are someone who was early in this game and you just spend this, like you in this period, if you written article, you will get lots of links to that topic. So this is something that you can do. And being an Amazon affiliate, this is the strategy that I use. I just I will teach about this in the link building strategies part. Just get to know if something is going to be in trend, then you can just go like someone here like you will get lots of backlinks, lots of traffic, and lots of attraction as well. So I will talk about in link building strategies part, but this is something that is going to be. So these are some basic fundamentals in this. I will teach you how BBC and this website. And this is something a silo we can say link building silo. That's advanced strategy. But let me tell you what exactly it is. So what people do is they create a general blog. They create a general blog. Then they get links from like sharehouse.com, car game, and every website. They get just used to get lots of links. Mainly news website do that. When they're having lots of links, I return Wikipedia because that's also a general website. When what they do, they their general website. So what they do, they put a relevant topic and they give link to their website. That's not effective now these days. I have seen, but that's a strategy that was used to follow by people, and I created this graph. So I think why not to show this to you people to explain the links. So that's all for today. I hope you helped the link building 101 series. If you like the series, then please let me know. If you're having any kind of queries, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.